Hey everyone, welcome back to Ration. My name is Leah. I have a quick herbalist zero waste tip for you today for our pantry challenge. So for those of you who make your own elderberry syrup at home, save your scraps. So it's definitely flu and cold season. So here I have elderberry syrup that was strained. So I have the syrup separate, but I kept the scraps. I put it into silicone like ice molds, froze it, and now what I do with the scraps is do my second kefir water fermentation with it so that you have this nice rich probiotic like immune boosting water to drink later. So last year I had my elderberry syrup. Here are my scraps. They were in the freezer. So mine included elderberry, hibiscus, rose hips, and honey. And so here were my water kefir grains. So I strained out my water kefir from the first ferment, and now I'm going to add some of these cubes into this for that second fermentation to extract. It'll eat the honey, the residual honey in here, and give me all of the nice nutrients and antibiotics, or antioxidants I should say, from the elderberry syrup and from the rose hips and all that stuff into my kefir water. And what you end up with is this beautiful elderberry kefir water. And so from here, drink away. It's absolutely delicious, beautiful. It's slightly carbonated, which is lovely. And for me personally, I like to add just a little bit of orange juice in it to sweeten it up a hair. And yeah, it's absolutely delicious. So just wanted to share that quick tip with you. Use your scraps. Take care.